dust away. I like it.
What's Gibby thinking about?
I like getting plowed in my ass while I play Overwatch.
Do kids eat free here?
Yeah, they do.
Is it just for you? Just for us.
That's fine right there. That way you can have
Hey, thank you. For the baby, just the chicken tenders are fine. You want some chicken tendies? Shut up.
for the baby.
Ooh, applesauce. Oh my gosh, it actually worked.
I've almost finished mine and you're just chugging yours like a little baby, huh?
You're an English guy. You guys drink beer for a living over there because you got some of the worst food in the world over there.
Listen, the top 10 restaurants in the world are in London.
And what kind of food do they make?
French.
Yeah! I have the power of God.
¿Cómo son los hombres ideales? Dana.
Los hombres ideales son respetuosos.
Sí.
Si le dices a un hombre vete, se va. Pero si le dices a un hombre ven, viene.
Le gustan los respetuosos. A ver, Mateo, ¿tú qué hubieras contestado? Porque el punto se lo llevó Dana, pero ¿tú qué hubieras contestado?
Bueno, la verdad no existen, las mujeres los idealizan.
A new video, so please subscribe.